What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. So finally, after planning and deciding since so long, me and my friends have finally decided to go to one of the biggest water park here in Chicago, the Chicago Hurricane Harbor. So yeah, let's start the vlog then. It's always so much of stress when we all friends have to plan, because everyone is doing rotation right now and everyone have their own and different schedules. We're going and picking up my friends, and then from there we'll start a journey all the way to Chicago Hurricane Harbor. There we go. By the way, that's my outfit. All set. And there he is, always late. The weather doesn't look suitable for the water park, but we will see how it goes. This guy just woke up right now. So these guys are still changing. Still waiting for these guys to get ready.
6.5 hours later.
Set to head towards Hurricane Harbor. We are finally almost here, just 10 minutes more, and all of these guys are sleeping.
Hey dude, you're driving, man.
So we are almost here. It's just like 8 more minutes of driving, and then we're gonna go and have some fun. And all of these people, they are bored and sleeping at the back. So let's head towards the Hurricane Harbor now. So that's the amusement park. So finally we are here at Six Flags, and that's the Hurricane Harbor, and this is the Six Flags amusement park. If you guys haven't watched my Six Flags amusement park video, the link is over here. Please go and watch that. And now we'll be heading towards the entrance, and there you see my lazy friends coming from there.
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं?
Basically, today was Wednesday, a weekday. Me and my friends literally have to bunk our hospital rotation to come here because the tickets were like very cheap. We just got our tickets for just $25 each, and it took us like an hour and 30 minutes from all the way from Chicago, from my home, to reach over here. So all heading towards we are at Hurricane Harbor, so let's go in now. So there we are. Change and head towards the rides now. So that's how we are stuffing all the things in one locker. Come on, Arpit, push! Come on, Arpit, push! Come on, Arpit, push!
समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो आप? समझ रहे हो ना?
Come on, Arpit, you can do it! Yeah! Yeah. Come on, do it, Arpit! Yes, guys, you can do it. Yeah. Very good, very good. Yes, finally, we have done it. We're all set. So basically the locker cost us $14 for the whole day, and now we are heading towards the rides. All set, guys. So these guys are now deciding what should we do first, because we have a lot of things to do over here. Yeah, everyone is giving their own input. Have to do everything and go on every ride, but these guys are deciding like which one they have to go first. and they are still deciding. I mean, let's see what they decide.
And then I step in between, and we are still deciding which ride we should go first. So let's see.
So let's go. Come on, let's go, guys. आओ, क्या हुआ?
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है।
After waiting 20 minutes, we have secured the tube. Now we are heading all the way up for the slide. So this is the beautiful Six Flags Chicago. Come on, man. Let's go. And look at these people, they are coming here. This is the ride for which we were waiting and came all the way up, all the way from there. And that's the Six Flag amusement park. You can see all the rides over here. This is one of them favorite, mine favorite. This guy is already tired. I'm not tired. All good? Idris, you are tired. All good? All set, guys. All set, all set. Get ready, guys. Crash landing! I'm gonna try this surfing and see how it goes. Really our first time doing surfing over here, so let's see how it goes. You? Yeah. What's the physics behind this? So the physics behind this is you have to make like a vacuum between the boat and your body so that more or less the water can go. E square equal to mc square.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Did you make the calculations?
Yeah, I did all the calculations. You're gonna watch it.
शाबाश बेटा।
That's my fat friends, they are not able to float. अरे भाई आओ तुम।
अरे भाई
काम कर
नहीं भाई।
एक्सीडेंट हो गया, सॉरी गाइस, इंश्योरेंस क्लेम करना पड़ेगा आपको। Present. Arish Ayub. Idris. Arpit. Piyush. तेरी माँ का टंचाना बे. Baba, where are you? Come here. Molecule बना. You be molecule. अरे जर्नल है तो टेंशन आ जर्नल नहीं आ रहे हो अरे भाई We are heading towards these rides. How was the experience overall? Tell me. Yeah, I know because it's busy over here today. Now we will be heading towards the main one. Finally, after doing most of the rides, now we are heading towards this one, the last one. We are literally so tired, so let's go the Skull Island and let's do all the rides over here. Waterpark, this is for the kids, and literally this is so fun. There you go.
रहा नहीं जाता तड़प ही ऐसी है ना.
So after enjoying the Skull Island, now we are heading towards the tsunami to go and rest, and then we will go outside and eat something. So let's head towards the tsunami now. After all of this, now we are heading for the tornado. So let's go and see. This is my first time going to tornado, and after tornado we will head towards the tsunami and the wave pool. So let's go and check it out. Tell me, how was your experience till now?
It was good, but there's a lot of wait time, so
Yeah, it's because of
most
rush.
your
It's
time
summer.
waiting in lines.
Yeah, because it's summer and it's too many people here.
Well,
It's,
you cannot come in winter, right? This is the only time that you can come.
yeah, but I mean, it's the only good water park you have here in Chicago, so you have to
You can go
wait.
to Rockford, you know.
It's too far.
It's not too far, man.
It is. But now we are going to go and try this tornado, and then we'll see. Heading towards the tornado. This is the 4-seater, but I don't know if my friends gonna come because they're scared of this one. So yeah, let's go.
So we're here at the last station, which is the tsunami.
Which is also known as the wave pool.
The wave pool. When you come here, you feel like you're in Barbados, you know?
Yeah, that's true.
Because we had the same sandy beaches.
What? So finally, after done with everything, now we are heading towards this thing so that we can go and relax and take a little bit rest, and then we will head outside and then go back to Chicago again from where we started. So finally, after spending 7 hours at Chicago Harbor, now we are done and tired, and everyone is tired, and now we will be going to the lockers and change our dress and head towards Chicago. We'll head towards home, but in between we're gonna go to a restaurant and have some food. Literally, we are so tired, and honestly it was a very awesome day over here. And yeah, that's all. Now let's head outside. All set, shower, now we are heading outside so you can go and eat something good, right?
Yeah. For now, we are deciding between a halal burger place and some Indian food that these guys want. But we'll decide on the way.
But we will go to grab some biryani, that's for sure. We are not gonna hear this Afghani because we are in majority right now. So let's go outside, grab some food, and then head towards home. We are over here at Biryani Point to grab some food, and then we'll head towards home. Let's go. We are literally very hungry after swimming and after all day today having fun. Let's go and grab some biryani. So finally, looks like this guy is done with his work and we are just waiting for him.
He's looking for a hand wash.
Huh?
He's looking for a hand wash.
Looks like he is looking for a hand wash.
After moving.
And these guys are just waiting for Idris.
Because he's moving too much.
So finally this guy is done and he's back.
Because he eats too much.
So finally I'm back home and I am so tired. I just came back home, showered. So if you guys like my video, do like, share and subscribe. And it was a very good experience. We had a full day of fun. From tomorrow we have to start our regular hospitals again. So that's all. Do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, and also do watch my previous Six Flags amusement park video. The link is over here. See you guys until next time.
भाई मज़ा आया, और मैं ये जो मज़ा है हिंदुस्तान के हर व्यक्ति को देना